Hey guys, do you also deal with a lot of account bans or shadow bans for your Reddit accounts in the last time? If so, then this video is just perfectly for you and will help you out to understand Reddit's ban system more. Here is what we will cover in this video. Why do my accounts get banned? Posts get removed by spam filters. Is there a way to buy upvotes without risking a ban? On what to look when I buy a Reddit account? Where to buy Reddit accounts? What proxies to use? You can see that the list is quite small, but you don't really need to know more to get your Reddit accounts run probably. Let's not waste much time and start directly with the first topic. Why do my accounts get banned? So you had this problem. You created an account or bought an account with already karma farmed on it. You want to start posting and promote your business or whatever you want to do. Directly the first post you make gets removed by Reddit spam filters, and you ask yourself, why do the posts get removed? You post a second one, and not only your post get removed, but also your account get a shadow ban directly. The reasons for that are: you didn't warm up the account, or your warm-up just wasn't good enough. I won't show exactly in this video how to warm the account up, but I will do a video for it soon. Also, if you bought an account, the seller should provide you with a warm-up guide for the account. You created the account on a proxy or IP, which is already banned or blacklisted from Reddit. It's very important these days that you only use your accounts on IPS, which means proxies, which aren't already banned by Reddit. Otherwise, you can use the best account with the best warm-up. Your accounts still get banned by Reddit. You did too many actions at a time. You got everything and good quality Reddit account, which is running on a good quality proxy. Even now you should do the actions like a human would. If you do directly 2 comments in a row and then go straight to the subreddit you want to post, of course you get banned for that. Which normal Reddit user would do such an activity? Stay chill on the accounts, click on some random posts, give some of them upvotes and behave like a normal Reddit user. Would you didn't use a good anti-detect browser? In general, you should always use an anti-detect browser for Reddit. It's also the most easy way to manage more accounts at once. What works best for Reddit is AdSpower or Dolphin Anti. If you are new, you should go with Dolphin Anti. For everyone who doesn't know how to use an anti-detect browser, I will soon upload a video on this topic. It may seem little complicated at the beginning, but it's really not. The account you bought was of a bad quality. Your account seller had just a really bad quality of his account, and if you buy such an account, there is no help anymore, it will get banned. Also, unfortunately, there is no way to see if the account seller provides high quality accounts or not. What I can only say is that if you buy them for really cheap prices, the quality will be also cheap, so don't spare on accounts that much. For accounts, I recommend redshop.net. I already use them for around 2 to around 3 months or even more and don't have any problems with them. The quality is always great and they also last very long. The accounts I buy are always with a high CQs or better and provide that. You can also join their Telegram group where they give any updates about Reddit and they provide. There are support. To each purchase there is also a warm-up guide, which works just great. That's it. There aren't many things you need to look at, but you need to look at all of them. It's very important that you follow everything. Yes, everything. Your posts get removed by Reddit spam filters. If your post gets removed by spam filters, it's because of your account trust score, which is too low. What you should do is do a better warm-up for the account in the next 2 to 3 days, and after that, the problem should be solved. If you bought an account with already karma on, and even after the warm-up it shows this message, your account will probably get banned, since the seller used low-effort methods to gain karma on the account. Soon, I will upload a warm-up tutorial for Reddit on how to warm your Reddit account the right way. Is there a way to buy upvotes without risking a ban? Yes and no. It depends on many things, like for example how many upvotes you buy, at what speed do they come, and also how is the quality of the accounts the upvotes comes from. This is actually also important. But to answer the question, if you buy up to 10 upvotes on your posts with a speed of 7 to 10 upvotes an hour, you won't deal with any bans in future, but anything above can give, or better say, will give you a ban sooner or later. There are a few providers out there which I won't name in the video, which work just great, even if you buy 20 to 30 upvotes per post. But why? Their account quality is just great and have a history in posts and comments. Most cheap upvote providers just use blank little aged accounts, which gets banned after a few upvotes. Anyways, those providers with a much better quality cost a lot more. Soon I will show you a perfect provider which you can use for your main organic account. On what you should look when buying a Reddit account. This here may sound easy, but in reality it's not. There are plenty of things you need to look when buying a Reddit account. 1. Does the price match the account? If you see someone selling an account with 10k post karma and 200 comment karma for $30, you need to know there is something wrong, and the account got probably botted to this amount of karma or is hacked. With both options, the account won't last even a few days too. Which proxy did the provider use? Even if you can't be sure with that, you still should ask the provider what type of proxies he used. If he says something different, then mobile proxies don't buy the account. The quality will be bad. Also, if he says mobile proxies, just ask which provider if he don't use his own ones. If he names an overused provider, you also should keep away from him. 3. Good account CQS. It depends for what task you need the account, but if you buy it, the CQS should be at least moderated, so you know that this account was farmed the right way. Of course, optimal would be high to highest CQS. 4. Buy only mobile created accounts. Since you buy an account, you should also go for the best quality accounts only. And what are they? Mobile created accounts. Those accounts should be created on a mobile phone manually, without any bot. The karma should also be farmed on mobile only. So if a seller provide you cookies for the account, you know that he didn't use the account on his mobile phones, but on PC. You don't get cookies on mobile farmed accounts. 5. Ask the seller for the account username. Ask the seller for the username of the Reddit account before you buy it. He gives it to you without knowing you. You need to avoid his shop and accounts. Anyone who shows the usernames of the Reddit accounts don't care about the safety of the customers. You won't be alone who saw this Reddit account. There are a bunch of other people. If you buy such an account, some competition who just wait for someone to buy the account can start mass flagging you, and you will lose your account. Also, there will be a bunch of people who will just look what strategies you will use on the account from beginning on to copy you. Where to buy Reddit accounts? There are plenty of Reddit sellers out there, but most of them are just bad. The quality isn't good, they are overpriced, and they don't offer any support. What you should keep in mind is to avoid private account sellers. Even if you go with a middleman, they don't have the budget to provide you with a high quality accounts. I'm going only with redshop.net as for now. Their account quality is just perfect as well as their support. I always get what I wanted for a great price. You should definitely check them out if you are searching for a new Reddit account supplier. What is also great, they provide a guide to each customer who bought an account for how to warm up the Reddit account and how to use the proxy. So even if you are new to Reddit and didn't deal with it before, you will know how to use the account the right way immediately. As soon as I will use another provider, I will update you about that. That was it on how to avoid getting banned on Reddit all the time. I tried to keep the video as short as possible without talking about stuff which is unnecessary. In the next videos, I will show you how to warm up your Reddit accounts correctly. And also much more, so to not miss anything, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask me those here in the comment section.